In this video, I'll show you how to trade meme coins on Solana using Phantom Wallet. Before getting started, remember that meme coins are highly risky. Prices can move very fast, and some tokens may have low liquidity or be scams. This tutorial is only for educational purposes, so always do your own research and never trade more than you can afford to lose. First, open Phantom Wallet on your phone or browser extension. Make sure your wallet is already set up and that you have some SOL available. SOL is needed to buy tokens and also to pay Solana network fees. Next, find the meme coin you want to trade. Be careful here, because many fake tokens copy the same name, symbol, or logo as popular coins. The safest option is to get the official token address from the project's verified website, official social media page, or a trusted token tracker. Once you have the correct token address, go back to Phantom and tap Swap. In the first field, choose SOL as the token you want to pay with. In the second field, search for the meme coin or paste the official token address. Now enter the amount of SOL you want to spend. Phantom will show a preview of the trade, including the estimated amount of tokens you will receive, the exchange rate, and any fees. Before confirming, check the slippage settings. Meme coins can be volatile, so low slippage may cause the trade to fail, while high slippage may give you a worse price. Review everything carefully. When you are ready, tap Review and confirm the swap. After the transaction is complete, the meme coin should appear in your wallet. If it does not show immediately, refresh Phantom or add the token manually using its address. To sell later, repeat the process in reverse. Choose the meme coin as the token you pay with, and choose SOL or USDC as the token you want to receive. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.